Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Xamarin UI Design. Today we are going to learn about shell, which is used for the navigation overall the application. And before shell is launched in Xamarin 4.0. Before the shell, we were using navigation page, and it is a little complex because navigation page navigation of the applications before Xamarin 4 was a tab page or hamburger menu means we have to create a menu in uh, by using code, and all these we have to do many things to create a hamburger menu. Means uh, we can open a slide menu from the left side. Okay, so to shell is just removing some complexity. It will provide only one class which will provide you to create a hamburger menu or a tab, bottom tab or top tab. So it has become very easy. And another, we can also navigate from one page to another page by very easily. Okay, so when we create a new page, okay, new project, it is giving options like blank, flyout and text. Okay, these two are the part of the shell. Means this configuration are built in shell file. So shell classes. So whatever you will choose, it will be written in shell file. So we will go through this. First we will see file layout menu. We will also see if we are creating the blank project, how we can add a shell in the project. Okay, first of all, see inbuilt shell classes. First it is fly layout. Okay, if you want to use inbuilt flyout, you can use the template. Now this project is created with the fly layout. So this is the app shell. Okay, these are the pages. Means it will provide a dummy files, and means files, so you can easily you can get the idea. This template provide some pages, so you can get a easily idea how to use this flyout. So you can see in flyout, okay, it provide a basic structure. So this is resource. Resource means one type of uh, you can say uh, uh, class of the style. Okay, means style, it is defined, means title color should be white, and disable color, all the color you can set in the resource dictionary. Okay, in the resource, in the shell dot resources. Now you can see the class of this app shell is a shell, and in the code behind page, this app shell is inheriting these shell classes. Okay, so these shell classes containing all the navigation definition. Now you can see here added a flyout menu. Okay, mean each flyout menu has a single shell content, because here mm, there are two type of flyout display option, as a single item, as a multiple item. But uh, if this is not set, then it will select only as a single item. Means each flyout item will have only single shell content. Okay, so you have to define a flyout menu, flyout item as you want. Okay, we will see only flyout item. Later we will see the tab. Okay, so you can see here is a single item. Okay, uh, mm, about this is browse, and another is this is menu, so it is showing a logo. Okay, now if you will you use as a multiple item, okay, you can use a multiple shell content. So what will happen, it will convert it into the tab. For example, I have created example. I don't want to waste time in writing. For example, this I will copy this, paste it. We will change page. This is just an example for the so you can understand. So just try to understand it. I just change the page. Okay, fine. I am saving it. Now you can see that this is course UI design. Okay, one second. I will set up the page so it will be okay. Now this is a course UI design. You cannot see this absolute layout 1, absolute layout 2, because this is tag. Okay, so when I click on this, it will go through the page and add a tab. Okay, let's change the page here. mm, I think this is the issue of reload, hot reload, but it will show the page as per it is defined here in the content template. So in flyout layout, if flyout display option is as multiple, you can set as a tab here, and or a multiple shell content. If you are not using this, then you as previously you can see that only one shell content you can use. Okay. Now another thing is that uh, your icon is not displaying, but in this project icon was working, but here is not working. Here icon was I think I have to stop, so it will show the icon. Sorry, it is not showing icon, but um, it when I was prepared this code, the icon was visible here, but you can use this property to show the icon. Okay, so this is as multiple items, so you can use a tab and in shell content. Another thing is that you can set the icon for uh, each item, and the content template. Content template means which page you have to show. Okay, the name of the page, and this page is described here. This local is described here. Okay, so you have to give a namespace and path of this by assigning a name and use that name to call the page. Now this is menu item. Okay, in this menu item you can also use a menu item and click. So in on click you can use whatever you can want to use the logic. So you can also call any URL or a click event. Okay, another thing is how to add a footer. So before footer, I will explain this. This is resource dictionary. This is you can set any name. By default, he has taken a base type and target type is equal to element. Means shell is one type of element. Okay. Then set a background. You can also this is shell background color means this is the background color, and this is for color. This is a title color is a title is not set here, and this is another tab bar. Okay, tab bar means this tab. This is the tab bar. So tab bar background color, tab bar for color, tab bar unselected color means when it is not selected, it will change the color. You can see that. And this is the tab bar title color. This is the when you add a predefined template, you can get all this code. Okay, now we will add a header. See, here header is added. I have you can add a header and set a height request, and you can create header as you want by using a grid or any control like absolute layout or stack layout or this grid. Okay, so I have used a grid and added the image and the label to show this header. Now we can also add a footer. Footer will always display here. Okay. I'm writing with after the close tag of the it is added now. Okay, footer. So uh, but one thing is that when you use as multiple item, I have added this shell content and another is this tab means course UI design. So what will happen when you click on this, you can see a top bar, but when you open the page you can see a bottom bar here. So this is the bottom bar, this tab, shell content, and all these shell content are mentioned in the uh, bottom bar. Okay, so this is the flyout item. So if you only want to use a flyout item and don't want to display this and this section. So so you have to always use a single in flyout display item. Okay, if you want to see this all these tab, you can use a multiple display option. So this is the okay. I will also continue by how to navigate to page using the shell. So um, so I converted. I load original code that was created when I created a project of the shell project. So you can see this. Now we will see how to navigate uh, navigate from one page to another page. For example, I have set here. So to navigate from one page to another page, we have to use a keyword called route. So in route, you can give any name. This name should not be repeatable. Okay, so you can set a unique name for each shell content in the route page. Okay, so it is given here. And another thing, if for example there are many pages in the project where we cannot and we are not using in the menu, so this will be coming from page to page. Okay, when I click on the button on the page and the new page will open or another page will open. So for this you have to register that page here. So this page is not in the menu flag here. So I am registering these pages in the routing classes by using a register route method. So you have to do name of the uh, name of and the class of the page, or you can also set a string. Okay, you can also set here string called item detail page. Okay, so this is the a name you are giving to the route. Okay, so both thing can be possible, name of then the class of the page, or you can give any name in the string. Now how to navigate? You can use the method called go to async that are given in the shell classes. So shell dot current dot go to async and double slash means in the same route you have to give a double slash and the login. Login means the name of the route. Okay, so you can navigate to any page by using a go to async. Okay, we can also navigate from one page to another page by passing a parameter. So we have to pass a parameter using a query string. So, but I will explain this thing in the next video. And through shell, I will create a new video for advanced shell in which we can see how to pass a parameter to one page to another page, and also what will be the complexity in the shell. For example, when we are using item template in the list control. Okay, you can see this is the list control. There will be multiple button. For example, edit, view, it will go to the another page. So how, so it will be the item template means it is a content view. So how we can access the ID of this item and get this ID and pass to the another page. So this complexity we will see in the uh, another video. Okay, till then thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel and please click on the like video and please share this video so another viewer also can see. Thank you.